Are we going?
Yep.
Okay. So today, this is group money team with Megan Higgs, Madeline Watts, me, Cameron Nab, and cameraman Bryce Butcher. So we're going to teach you how to solve system equations by the elimination method. So this is our first set of equations. And so why it's called the elimination method is you can add it both together and then the x's cancel out in this case because it's -4 and 4x. So then you have to solve for the y, and after you add them together, you get 6y equals -36. You gotta isolate y, so we're gonna divide it, both sides by 6. So then you end up with the answer, y is -6. But to get a point on a graph, you've gotta have an x too, right? So we're gonna plug in -6 for our y in this equation. So we'll have -4x minus 12, because we did -6 times -2 equals -12. So get x by itself again, so plus 12, those cancel out, -4x. Okay, I did something wrong with it. Did I? No, I see what I did. Never mind, my bad, guys. So this would be positive 12, because negative times a negative is a positive. So you subtract 12 from both sides, -24, divide both sides by -4, x equals 6. So your first point is 6, -6. Okay, second equation. 4x plus 8y equals 20, -4x plus 2y equals -30. So again, you add them both together, the x's get eliminated, then you're left with 10y equals -10, because 20 minus 30 is -10. So divide both sides by 10, you get y equals -1. Then you plug that back in to this equation. It doesn't really matter what equation you do, but since this has small numbers, we'll do that. Then you solve for x minus 2, because you did -1 times 2. Negative times a positive is a negative. Add 2 to both sides to get x by itself. -4x minus 28. Divide both sides by -4. Then a negative divided by a negative is positive. And then x equals 7, so your other point is 7, -1. I hope this helped, and a little thank you to our sponsors, Young Savage 15, buy his mixtape. Thanks, guys.